Massive. It's Game On Riddim video shoot taking place right now.
Yeah, man. My name is DJ Fantan and I'm with my brother Ras Caleb. Amana Zambukturai Nasi, known as the BTS.
Behind the scenes.
No, not both teams to score. No, behind the scenes. We are shooting Medley. We are shooting a music video for the Game On Riddim.
Yes,
so please, Amana, in the meantime, Chenda in the studio, but in the meantime, Trumbo Grad is my artist.
What's happening behind the scenes? It's a baller best team.
Yeah, man. And big up to the Muritzville venue for Abanon's doubt. Give up the doubt here, man. So I'm coming, man. Yeah.
Oh,
Amana.
Chip Predator.
Yeah. Chip Predator. I remember some of the why did you Riddim? Dikatarisa shure kwandabva andonzwa kutya taitarisa. Yeah, man, it's mad.
It's happening. It's a star-studded place, Maisa.
Yeah, man.
So keep coming.
And massive, listen.
Yeah.
This Riddim is coming out very soon. Second about can upload my videos. Price got $2,800.
Somewhere you won't imagine.
My viewers are going. Yeah.
People won't imagine who we are about to show them right now. Come on, look at that. Check this one. Sano Lembari.
Yeah, man.
Socials again. Yeah, man.
Wagwan. Good socials, my brother. Welcome. Osiga. Tashika. Mcheka kanazo kabila. Mcheka always ready, no man. Always ready. King said, yeah, man. Big up social. Yeah, man. What you remember song of Riddim? Of course, no man. Wait, the way you blow, Pitu Pasung. The way you blow, Pitu Pasung. You give me joy. Oh, sing song. Yeah, man. Socials is here.
Socials is here. Yeah. Like we said, it's a star-studded event.
Superstars, upcoming superstars.
Okay.
Tell someone now. She's a superstar in making. Deep design and them not dress some artist area or mugona. Usaka Derere. Oh, she's gonna 18 years, but she's gonna talk to her as ghetto is kind of 3 years. Sorry, Rasta. Yes, massive Amara, please go on YouTube. We know some of views. Pane artist wa kono favor akano pane song irunaki Mashika
Wagwan family.
Yeah, maudia. Yeah. Mama Pinko Spice. I know kuti azhinji manga mamu kangano but Pinko Spice is right here. And the Pinko Spice aka feature ba Riddim pa Game On Ready.
Zen boom.
Ma feature.
Ayo atakanova.
You should remember my lyrics out because mama artist muno kangano.
It is nga kangano.
Ndakaimba
kuti mwana yeyu anondifiringita mafungiro. My baby. Listen up. Brown skin, black hair, beauty queen. Oh yeah. Smile mahara kungezuba. Bo. Volume up. Yeah. Oh man, the fun don't stop. Kukuruma mdambo una somewhere panap.
Ayo kuma kankula rumone.
Who is no kankula?
Makankula niyo.
Makankula is there. Makankula is again. Game On Riddim with the you know.
Ndio.
This is the baddest.
Remember lyrics are no question and look the artist today. But some of the artists they come and Riddim and do a freestyle. Yeah.
Aliwana ujiwaina haiwa ndaona ora. Uchukura ujibika ukisheka haiwa ndaona ora. Ndaona ora. Uri batmuno.
Pringles Vice, Makankula, Varipo, but guess what, family and friends? Look who's here. Traffic udaini murara batabu anzi msato no katanga ichaze changanjuya wimbo chingine sumbo zesonga yako ndingadona like wimbo chibaridi saka drip check handi ndakachena maziona sondakapfeka hazimbodhura asi ndakafitwa maziona saka zveipapo apa ndakachena zveipapo ende ndiri kupiza zveipapo When I don't like to you, Riddim Richard Pisa, Zveipapo. Check this out, man. Yeah. Get TikTok. I know the ginger knows their song, but
Ndauya nekadansi kema useless boyfriends levakomana singatenge mafriends shegu kumukomana wese anogara akaomerwa gore rese
shegu varipo paRiddim. So what you have to do kana uchifarira masonga Mr. Shegu, just go on YouTube, Game on Riddim, with some views and likes pana favorite artist wako. But Game on Riddim waimba chiwe
vekwangu vakadetemba nemtupo ndinoita manyenye waita big papa waita fantani ndinoita on Riddim
straight down there. Maya. Amana undisaura wangu every time pandonana naye tinopanana nickname but nickname yake nhasi asitaki kuzomunhu nachidaiva anonzi taurai saurai usaseki mama akachingwa kana kende kako mwanangu handiti une nzara mama akachingwa kana katyende kako mwanangu ndiko kandakusiya mama akachingwa kani katyende kako mwanangu handiti une nzara creative yangu epatari munoziva kuti mad sick Edna God hanzi mama kachingwa kana imbashina vai kajende kako man big things are going. Mama artists they're still coming and the Rascal other feature by Riddim
Yes,
just in case you don't know, man, Madam Rascal Bindwari on set. This is so one of the tell my heart. The wife, Rascal. So Rascal, no damn cool. I'm not talking about fools. You know what matches are my girlfriends. My girlfriend. I want to remind them. So Bora goes. I'm a journalist. I'm a journalist. Say something, my brothers. I just want to thank my wife and my girlfriend. Every show I'm at behind the scenes, Bolabet Riddim. It's called the Game on Riddim, powered by Bolabet.
Yes, sir, it's powered by Bolabet. You see this one naming because remember, we're gonna have the duty to vote for all these artists. Remember, Pane tapping.
Yeah, man. Sawa, tisinibo, tritese.
Dini mashi. For me that the soul get it. Abaziva bana patan, abaziva kude patan, moja patan. When you put fire, kuletino pisa patan. Ono yeve seka kurangan.
She did, yeah. My wanna, how are you? So far, da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 na.